round of applause, please, for Subha. It's wonderful to have you with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Honored.
Now, Wipro's tagline, if you didn't know, is ambitions realized. So what I want to know, for you as CTO, what are your ambitions that you want to realize?
See, Isabel, for us, it's all about customers and humanity. I don't know if you know this, but 66% of Wipro's profits go to a nonprofit foundation. 66%.
That's amazing.
Yes. And every dollar we earn, 66 cents goes to a cause, a real cause. So for us, again, there are two main stakeholders. One is our customers, and second is our community or humanity. Given that, we've had esteemed speakers just talk about how technology is changing the region, the world, how we work, how we experience the world, how we learn, how we communicate. So as part of my job is to make sure there's two things that I constantly do for Wipro. One is understanding what's happening in the world and help Wipro stay relevant so we can continue to solve interesting problems for our customers and help our customers win. So that's one. The second is how do we use technology to enable our communities and communities worldwide. So that's essentially what I do. Outside of obviously run the business, finding better ways of continuously improving our top line and bottom line growth. That's my contract with my own company. But I think what excites me is that mission, that ambition, and then using technology as that foundational principle to drive for our two key stakeholders.
Amazing.